keychain, I will be using this 2mm tubing cord, and I'm going to cut about 40 inches off for my keychain. That's typically what I use as a base, unless the keychain's more elaborate, and then I will usually cut it a little bit longer. But for this keychain, I'm going to use 40 inches of the cord. You will need pony beads. And for the amounts, I'm going to go ahead and list off how much you need of each. I have a kit that I bought off Amazon, and it comes with 4 of these with different types of colored pony beads. Some are sparkly, some are kind of metallic, some are solid. So if you're interested in these kits, you can find the links in the description. But I would highly recommend if you're a beginner with all of these pony beads, and it's just a great beginner kit. So to begin, you're gonna need a key ring. Also, I've linked the key rings that I use in the description. You'll need 5 black beads. These will be the seeds, the watermelon seeds that you can see here. Then you'll need 19 pink beads. I use the pink clear beads from the kit I was just showing you right here. And they have a little bit of a sparkle, a little bit of like a glitter in there, which I think just adds a little bit of cute addition, but also almost looks like it's glistening a little bit like watermelon would. And you'll need 19 of those pink beads. And then for the watermelon rind, 10 green beads. Here. Okay, and let's jump into the tutorial. So to begin, I secure my cord to my keyring, and then I hold down the keyring to my counter with blue tape so that it doesn't move around while I'm assembling my keychain. So to begin, I will start with one single pink pony bead. I'll loop it through and then pull the 2 ends to secure it in. The next row, I'll begin with 1 black pony bead and 2 pink pony beads. I like to begin on the right side cord. You can easily begin on the left side, but you'll pull your opposite string back through those beads to secure it in place. The next row will be 1 pink bead, 1 black bead, and 3 pink beads. You'll bring your left string back through those 5 beads and then pull them until they meet the top. Your next row will be 1 pink bead, 1 black bead, 4 pink beads, and 1 last black bead. You'll pull your left string back through those same beads and then pull your 2 ends to secure them in place. Your last row of pink and black beads will begin with 4 pink beads, 1 black bead, and 3 pink beads. And you'll pull your left string through those beads and secure your row of beads in place. The last row will be 10 green beads. You'll put all of your 10 on one side. I chose the right side. And then you'll take your opposite string. In my case, I'm going to grab the left string and feed that string back through those same green beads. This is a very easy keychain. There's not any crazy tricks involved, so I would say this is a great beginner keychain if you're looking to start your pony bead journey. Once you pull all of those beads up to the top, you'll want to secure your ends. So I took the left side and just kind of fed it through the last 2 rows. I like to do 2 half hitch knots on each side to secure it in place. So that's what you can see me doing here. After that, I will trim the ends and then tuck them in so that they're not super noticeable. And there you have it. You have your very own watermelon keychain that you can attach to your favorite bag or purse. But if you liked this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe so that you can see more videos in the future. But thanks for watching. Bye.